Akwaba and found Ghanaians TVGH so what frame Adwa searching
illegal mining. Maka and Mesa reinforce. Say me reinforce say NDC for anomoye illegal mining at this time.
You have
and you'll be na say
you have evidence.
No, me say you'll be na say. Majidema, Maka choice me will record na this and they boldly tell you that now call for back on you know. A peace of mind though. Are you saying the minister doesn't know? National Security doesn't know? NIB does not know? And you're basically could not about us. You are testing the partisanship.
The
Banyansa form. And our boy so. Yeah, opposition. Yakutia sa nearby power and you call for the I'm saying go to Nkawie and go and check the level of illegality in terms of mining ore. And go and check the people who are doing it. But catch your last week. So if we don't start approaching these issues, you can say, oh, you're power more. You're power more. But who say it could be so more buying political a year to touch? One can say politicians to touch. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Who told you that politicians in Kwaneshe, the guy who approached me at Wase Kropong, calling on me to bring 30,000, no 1 million, no a politician. The approach should be holistic. They be that you skill because of a certain interest. Yeah, but see a good nipa be no anymore. Say no cry. I can't hear say sir. You intimi fancy. You say politician be out so your man yourself. Say I could mo pa mo for the dipita. Mo for dance here. Mo be another no say jai illegal mining no. Maka and Mesa reinforce. Say me reinforce say NDC for anomoye illegal mining at this time.
You have
and you'll be na say
you have evidence.
No, me say you'll be na say. Majidema, Maka choice me will record na this and they boldly tell you that now call for back on you know. A peace of mind though. Are you saying the minister doesn't know? National Security doesn't know? NIB does not know? And you're basically could not about us. You are testing the partisanship.
The Banyansa form.
And now
oh yeah, me be intimate to a officer bana or 20 or they punish you. Nanam Krumana want to be more. But 20 as a tona or 2 abanetiano or 2 tia we are on any aje. Officer or 2 tia we and so also so natural. We go Nimsebia or life in ano. Akoya NPP. Afi we near Cassa Ometria school fees are no come. Ye we not doing so bad. No come tinipa e de abufu to aba but enche no mo no I mean kan tro NDC by ya tufu mo mpre no
3 times
from 14 to 16 2 Ghana cedis mwa and ababa kan fu so called drivers union, so called civil society groups said they are no more panels on the 2 NPP and no more 2 reality no done on them no my din no more show was a bit me or more back will explode anuntina as we as a political party a year reorganization ye na it me recapture political power because maybe I didn't start to dollar do say dollar and $16 See, almost 16 from 14 to 16 euro 16.3 so I say ya tufu mu empresa cry be I to 50 pesos we are 50 pesos say from baby omu to ya no akwa kodu 2 cedis other as concern driver unions now getting to the latter part, windows no toll petrol, say or transportation man a day to election okay. I don't know we free 14 to 16 or more fast release na be my bontin say or more to lorry because a human are no more yet. And now feel satisfied by unseating the NPP government. And for that matter, Siciano or can as a human now, no as I fight you, but reality will dawn on them. Reality. A cocoa for a becca must say, as it took cocoa 6,000. More train and now more your day. There's almost more the pressure bar. So two forcing. And then crowd also on as a finance minister. On our case NPP 40 wedding. There's a kukunki on the mom 6,100 and on more 3,000. So your politics now I say let your opponent always look bad. And again for be brain so people be once and bonena eti. Ohne oji award oh it did not say ansana award awoje ye no nkrofo aka ho asema we first day no almost celebrate one no you better about police for invite we this radio stations and TV stations can once more than 2 weeks.
It will be that so crack.
So what I say nti time bia na kwet say asem bone dia yenkan manipa no nyete say sasabonsam ne nua ba na ne nua be ma ene sa nipa no but ade e bebo e betimi a shepu society ama nimdie ne nyansa atre ne de e ka keto bia na ye jai de pan tutu a wonwe ho say de pan na be mo obi akoto aba etia NPP say na omoye arrogant na muade na omoye ahomaso no ene intimidate do atan memo aduane ade ene se mede da afon mama komado betwu so de te base ye co decisions ma emotions
but it's all part of how you manage power.
That is it. And I'm because ade na akoso no me dem fi se nyankopon na amana basa o to tell you say chenabunya tumi no na don sa so
mo nyankopon trane ba bi nwene ne ho
o action hene ade bia ebesi e wo wiase a wa adwene onim de entimi ensomu bebre no nyankopon wa na abedwane akọ me tell so actual product of grace. Whose grace? God's grace. Because if you are not be si wa brabo mu a ugidi sa nya wa hoden de nyankopon timi do bi kosie no asiesie no no de na be kire the time odi wu kosie no wan we a wo ye nipente no onye happy so what I say onye happy but odu kosie wie no do pie na manfo hu jutuma aho na abeti nyame asese ebi ade we ye nyame ye na bi a oye ede asesem ndo na make say ade esi ye no kire se o kina se nyame ye wadom na nsa ka political power. Know how to manage yourself, know how to manage the people omoto abade ede man deputy asema making opa CEOs deputies oba for deputies no kwa meeting maybe say ho no how are you feeling? Deputy, most of them, like I said, their bosses didn't treat them well. Most of them.
I say, Yakoto Abeyi, and Penifo Kasa, and Kalani Diano, and Penifo Krano, behave in terms of Mukrano, Umu Ediya, our disappointment, ministers, Esu. Minority the Kasa Obi Esu say appointees when didn't we know this? And I watch a video honorable Vincent Asafoeka say oko COB office e man sakin say only ni appointment
ana he subamba ko sa we mu sa honorable Asafoeka mi shana me bisa na sem me bisa no question bi the question na bisa mi sa time who shana ga chance Jack Crawford war energy ministry agencies no omo performance and omo suban na nyakra e bi asa don ko beju achini because of